Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you great Gatsby hairs for parties and weddings. This hairstyles is specially for parties. As you guys shown in the pictures, this is very vintage type of hairstyle, and for every age and every hair type, as you guys shown in the pictures, this gives you a very pretty and elegant look, and adorned with pearl and silver pin for elegance. Guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any look of Gatsby hairstyle. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of the look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get it from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircut, hair colors and hairstyle ideas. I will continue making more informative videos for you. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please show some love. And the people who watch my videos and don't subscribe to my channel, I request you guys to please subscribe the channel and enjoy the latest videos. Guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos with your family members and friends. That's all in this video, guys. See you guys in the next video.